Okay, so adding a menu item is really easy. First of all, you want to go to the back end of your site, and in here, you want to create a new page. So go to Pages on the left, hit Add New Page, give your page a name, and then add some photos and or text to your page. Okay. Hit Publish. Now, once your page is published, you want to go on the left to Appearance, Menus, and you'll see here we've got a list of the items on the main menu. We'll just check that they're the same. And you'll see because I've ticked this button down here at the bottom, automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Our test page has already been automatically added. So that will happen every time you create a new page. I've just enabled that, so anything that you've created before now won't have come across into the new main menu. So let's just say you want to move one of the pages that you've previously created over to the menu. All you do is you highlight it and hit Add to Menu. And you'll see that it will pop down the bottom here. And then let's say I want to move it up in the menu list. Just click and drag it up and hit Save Menu. Now if we go back and check our front page and refresh, and you'll see that it's appeared in the main menu. And there we go.